Welcome back to another installment, update, episode, whatever you want to call it, of the Seagulls Mazda 323 channel. And as promised, another video in the same week. But it's a very easy one today, so it's just ball joints. Just moving on from the last video where we did the tie rods and the tie rod ends, we're now doing ball joints. So this one, relatively easy, quite a quick task. I'll get Seagull to sit through it. A couple of things in life that I've learned. Tennis headbands, very cool. Holden Geminis, totally shit. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a decent socket set, torque wrench, the parts that you're going to need to switch over. I'm getting new hardware with it as well, and that's what I'm using. Plus you'll need some WD-40 Specialist penetrant to get deep into there to make everything quite easy to come apart. These will be the ball joints you'll need to use if you don't have the front brake, big brake upgrade. Here's the old ball joint, here's the new one, and that's what it's going to look like. Basically taking this off, you got to jack the car up, remove the wheel, and then you got to basically remove the pinch bolt and the nut holding the steering knuckle to the lower ball joint, and carefully use a pitchfork to lever it if necessary, if you have to. Then you're going to remove the bolt and nuts securing the ball joint to the control arm, and separate the ball joint from the control arm with a lever if necessary, probably will be, and then refit the new one. So you want to basically secure the mounting bolts but don't torque them, and get the pinch bolt in and torqued, and then torque your control arm nuts last, in that order. So pretty straightforward. So that's what it looks like before, and I'll show you the after. Well, there you have it. It's all done. All torqued up, fitted, looking good. So the only thing left to do on the front is the inner and outer control arm bushings. And on the rear is the rear trailing arm bushes. So all those bushes will need to get done. And I'll probably be using the white line bushes. Their products are quite good. A few other things coming for this car, so stay tuned because we've got a few other little mods to do as well. But yeah, ball joints are done.